Greetings and peace be unto you. This is the Inspiration Show, and this show here is all about my 2003 Acura TL Type S. Now, this is a used car, of course, and I've made it my little project, my little toy, so to speak. And just recently, my starter had went out, and I was thinking of either doing it myself or at least trying to find out how to get it fixed or obtain the parts or some sort of knowledge about it regarding it. And I looked, and there isn't a lot of information out there, but if you search for information, of course you'll find it, obviously, right? So I went to YouTube as my first option of looking up everything, and although the information is minimal to none, I did come across a YouTuber as well as myself, YouTube channel by the name of Mods Forever. And the YouTuber is actually a mechanic on top of him having his own channel. And I actually wound up going out there to get my starter fixed. And I also learned a lot of knowledgeable things about my car, the upkeep and maintenance of it. I had used cars in the past, of course, but for whatever reason, it's been a while. It's been like a space in between me having a used car as far as having a newer car. So I had to kind of get back into the game again. But usual stuff is just with any car. You check all your fluids, check your brakes, transmission, engine, stuff like that. It can get costly when you have a used car, but if you maintain it right and stay on top of everything, you probably won't have many issues, especially with foreign cars. I tend to find American cars to be sort of a problem. So right here, you see my headlights looking fairly new, and they definitely aren't new. I have not replaced either headlight. I've just restored them, which I also had done with Mods Forever, because my headlights were in bad shape. I probably couldn't even shine the regular low beam headlight through that plastic. You wouldn't be able to see much. I mean, it would literally look like as if it wasn't even on sometimes. So I had to use my high beams a lot in order for me to see. But I know, your high beams, of course, will blind other drivers. So that's not really a good look. You want to have your low beam on so that not only can you see properly, you're not blinding other drivers. Although eventually I plan on changing the headlights altogether. I'll probably put the LED headlights, because Mods Forever, he recommended that. It'll be a better, more clarity on the road, especially driving through like dark areas. Like, I have a lot of wooded areas near me. It gets very dark at night, so that would be a good idea as far as that with the LED lights. So pretty much you see the transition from the foggy glass of the headlights, the midway point, and then the finished product. And I did these right here myself, actually, in the back, which I found later on when I got home from Mods Forever's garage, that I already had the liquid that he used. This liquid, was it called Magellan, or I don't remember the name of it. I'm gonna actually I'll have the name in the description of the stuff it is. You pretty much put it over your plastic lights that are old and worn out, and they're from there, actually, you'll be able to have them looking brand new, restored. So other things you want to do with your used vehicle is maybe tune it up, make sure all the mechanic situations are done, everything mechanically and engine wise, transmission wise. And you should have no problems. Like, this car has pretty much gave me no problems, and I love it. I'm not gonna say I'm not gonna buy a brand new car, but if I do, I'm probably gonna still keep this car. So hopefully, if I didn't give you enough information on this whole vehicle thing, I gave you some sort of insight on what to expect.